Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious truffle balls. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need high-quality chocolate, rich heavy cream, and a touch of unsalted butter for the creamy ganache. Don't forget to consider your favorite flavorings, like a splash of vanilla extract or a hint of orange zest. Finally, prepare your desired coatings, such as cocoa powder or finely chopped nuts, to give your truffles that perfect finish. Now, let's create the luscious ganache. Begin by finely chopping about 200 grams of your chosen chocolate. This helps it melt smoothly. Gently heat 100 milliliters of heavy cream until it just begins to simmer, then pour it over the chopped chocolate. Let it sit for about 2 minutes before stirring until it's beautifully smooth. Finally, whisk in 25 grams of soft butter for an extra silky texture. Once your ganache is ready, it's time for chilling and shaping. Place the ganache in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it's firm enough to easily handle. Using a small scoop or a teaspoon, portion out the chilled ganache. Then, gently roll each portion between your palms to form perfectly smooth, round balls. Remember to work fairly quickly to prevent the ganache from becoming too soft. For the grand finale, we'll coat and present your exquisite truffle balls. Immediately roll the freshly formed truffles in your chosen coatings. Classic options include rich, unsweetened cocoa powder, or perhaps some finely chopped pistachios for a vibrant green. For an elegant presentation, place each finished truffle into a mini paper liner. Store these delightful treats in an airtight container in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.